You got it. You gotta show me a picture of her. I'm so excited for you. That's my Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Matcha and I had the sweetest little morning. I gotta go to school. I'm running a little bit late. About a month ago, I put on my TikTok how I purchased deodorants from the brand Beauty Counter, and I am never ever going back to wearing men's deodorant, or I don't know. I love Old Spice deodorant, but I feel like this natural clean deodorant has been the best decision for me. Before I head out to class, I need to put on some jewelry. I'm gonna wear my diamond cross necklace. This necklace was given to me by my grandmother, who is no longer alive. I think about her every single day. It is so stunning. And that is that. I'm gonna put on some rings really quick. I think I'm gonna do silver jewelry today. I usually do a mix of gold and silver, but I'm in the mood for silver. These are the pieces that we're rocking with. Let's put on some perfume and then we gotta roll. One of my favorite go-to perfumes for just having like a nice little natural scent is this one from Anthropologie. It smells so good. It's like a vanilla marshmallow. It is chillin'. Just got home from school. Matcha's already chewing on my pants. So great. I had English today, and then I also had accounting. So it was a pretty busy day. I need to put my hair up in a claw clip. So here is the schedule and plan. I'm gonna eat because nourish to flourish. I will be having some leftover chicken and vegetables. I sauteed some mushrooms, onions, and red bell peppers yesterday. And then I made like a lemon pepper chicken. So I'm just gonna eat that really quick, and then we will talk about all things Valentine's Day.
I see it when you're done.
So Matcha literally is on crack. Don't know where he got the zoomies from. Must have been while I was gone. But anyways, I just made the most delicious tasting matcha, and now we're going to talk about Valentine's Day and the plans. So I'm currently doing long distance with my boyfriend. He lives in Colorado. You guys probably already know that. I wanted to put together a little cute Valentine's package since this is our first Valentine's Day doing long distance, and it's really sad, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And I figured, why not make the most out of the situation and get all of the cutest and most tasty things, put it together in a box, and send it to him. So I got a card the other day. I'm pretty sure I got this at Target. It says, nice buns, and then on the inside, it says, yep, I am stuck on you, happy Valentine's Day. This is Drew, this is me. Also, I'm going to be doing a little Galentines thing with my girlfriend. And so I might be doing different things with different groups, so you're probably gonna see that throughout today's video. It's just gonna be me vlogging all the days that I do stuff or key things that happen with Valentine's Day in general or Galentines. I even got some fun little toys for Matcha. Let's write this letter. It is so chilly outside. Good morning, it is the next day and I'm getting some Valentine's Day gifts for Drew. So first stop, we're at Fred Meyer. We're gonna pick out some candies, lots of good Valentine's Day chocolates, all the goods. Drew, I apologize in advance if you get a cavity because of me, but I have the worst sweet tooth ever, and yeah, so we're just gonna shop. Let's do it. Drew's favorite place to eat is Jimmy John's, so it only makes sense to get him a gift card. First off, I got him a Jimmy John's gift card. Then I got this little watermelon rings gummy treats. I thought they were so cute, and I love the little heart packaging. Some salt and vinegar almonds. When I was first moving into this house, Drew helped me move everything, and we had salt and vinegar almonds. And from then, this was back in July of 2022, he couldn't find salt and vinegar almonds anywhere, so I got him some because they're just that good. I got some packaging tape to put the box together. Oh, speaking of which, I left the box in the car, so I need to go get that. Then I got some little tissue paper and then some Ghirardelli chocolate assorted squares. So we've got white chocolate caramel, milk chocolate caramel, and dark chocolate sea salt caramel. Let's put it together. I'm hoping that this is big enough. I'm honestly really sad that my first Valentine's Day that I've ever spent with a guy is long distance, but that just means that we have things to look forward to in the future. I'm really hoping this box does not break. Let's start filling her up. To begin, I'm going to lay down this tissue paper. Look how adorable it is. There's little hearts on it. And I'm just gonna make the box look a little bit nicer than just plain brown. And we are gonna start off with the Carhartt boxer briefs. I basically just taped the wrapping paper all around and I'm hoping that it doesn't fall off, so I might go and tape one more round. Chocolate caramel assortment, watermelon rings. I'm gonna put his Jimmy John's gift card in this little heart pouch. And then like I mentioned earlier, I got him his favorite almonds. We'll add a little Twix. What I really want to do is take a Polaroid with Matcha. Come here, Matcha. In my car, I have a Polaroid of Drew on my dashboard, and he has a picture of me on his dashboard. He tells me all the time how he wants more Polaroids, and since he hasn't met Matcha yet, I figured what better way than to send him a little Polaroid. I really hope that just got it. And if it didn't, we'll do it again. This is how the Polaroid turned out. It's still developing. But how freaking cute is this? I'm so excited to add this to the box. Hello, cutie. So we have a little letter and then the Polaroid. I think I'm gonna tape the back of this Polaroid onto the letter. Last final touches. These are all things that I know he actually uses. So this is his favorite brand. You can get this from Walmart. And then this is the Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. Really, really good skincare brand, especially for guys. And then of course I had to run to the store and get this big tube of Aquaphor because it's very dry where he lives. And then to top it all off, we are just going to put the card on top. And I'm sure it's all gonna get shuffled because, I mean, look at how big the box is and how much is filled up. So, I don't know if I wanna put like a blanket on top. Maybe I'll go to the store and get a little blanket. But this is what we have so far. I just sealed that box and I wanted to also share a little gift that I got for Leo and Lacey in Texas. Don't worry, I did not forget about them. They are my babies as well, the OGs. And so I wanted to get them a little toy. So I got Leo this one. It says, I woof you, and then Lacey gets pups and kisses. So I'm gonna put this in one of these bubble mailers, and then I'm gonna drop it off right now. Shein just sent over the cutest little box. I was not expecting this at all today, but honestly, really excited. So let's see what's inside. Got a little silk eye mask. Ooh, is this like a nightgown or a dress? Stop it right now. I'm literally wearing these to bed tonight. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. I'm really excited because there's a couple things that have arrived already and I'm waiting to open them. I will be wearing these pajama pants tonight. I think it also came with a little top. Oh, shut up. Okay, this is a nightgown. Wow, this is really freaking cute and it's so soft. And then the top to that PJ set looks like this. I'm so happy. And then the last part of the little gift are these slippers. Thank you so much, Shein. So my mom and dad sent me a card yesterday and I opened it and it says, all about daughters, some are pretty, some are bright, some are talented, others polite, some are funny, some are fun, but you are all of those in one. And then they each wrote me like a sweet little letter and it made my whole day. So really happy and excited for that. Drew sent over 2 packages that he told me I have to open tomorrow for Valentine's Day. And then he also sent me a little card. Cannot wait for that. And then his parents are so freaking sweet and they sent me something as well. I'm gonna open this card right now. And then this is the gift that they got me. It's like a little coffee accessory kit and stuff. Oh my gosh, They customized it. Wishing you and Matcha a Valentine's Day that's all warm and fuzzy. We want to celebrate this Valentine's Day by celebrating the one our son holds closest to his heart, and that's you. Happy Valentine's Day. Much love, Suzanne and Pat. My heart. If y'all are watching this, love you. Thank you so much. Cannot wait to use these because I've been making so many good coffees with my Nespresso. All right, so I have to get and put together a whole Valentine's thing for 3 of my girlfriends here. It's tomorrow, and they're spending the night tonight, so I have to do that as soon as possible because I'm running out of time. Like, the clock is ticking. I'm gonna give Matcha his Valentine's Day toy later today, but I've got a lot of work to do, so I need to get that done first. So happy. Cannot believe tomorrow's Valentine's Day. I booked reservations for one of my friends who is single right now, and basically because I'm doing long distance, I don't have any other plans either, so she and I are going to go out, have dinner, and enjoy the night. Guys, I'm literally gonna sob my whole eyes out. I just came home from bar class to find these roses on my doorstep. So freaking sweet. Also, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I took an accounting exam at 9 a.m. this morning and I got a 94 on it. So happy. And then I went to Certified Bakery and I picked up these candles for my birthday. Someone just dropped off the package. This is so big. Alani New just sent a package over. Let's open that. But anyways, first I wanted to show y'all. Look at how cute these candles are. I'm so excited. I'm gonna use them for my birthday. Okay, but let's open this package really quick and then I'm gonna FaceTime Drew and we're gonna open our gifts to each other. I booked reservations for one of my girlfriends who is single. So I booked us reservations for dinner tonight. It's at this Italian place. I'm so excited because we're gonna dress up, you know, do all the girly stuff. Oh, I'm a sucker for Alani New energy drinks, and they sent over 2 different packs of different flavors. We've got cherry slush, watermelon wave. I'm so excited. And then what else did they send? Oh, it's like a little koozie, like a little cup koozie deal. Are you kidding me? You just put the can in here. Matcha has been so cute and adorable. I always feel so bad leaving him for school and whenever I go to bar class. He's always so good. He doesn't make a mess, and I just love him. Also, the top of his head is literally turning light. It's kind of weird because he looks a little bald right now. All right, thank you, Alani New. Time to put this in my cabinet. They're so perfect. Thank you so much, Drew. I love you. You know me, flowers and cards are the way to my heart, and Drew always kills it. I went to Trader Joe's yesterday and I ended up getting some cards and little succulent plants for my girlfriends. So I got 3. I got 3 different cards. 2 of them are the same. It says to my Galentine, and then the other one says hugs and kisses. It's like a little keychain cute thing. I'm gonna write these cards really quick and then I'll also show you all the succulents, but they're in my car and I'm too lazy to go get them right now. So we'll do this first and then I'll show you. Happy Valentine's Day. Drew just had strawberries delivered from Sherry's Berries. I have eaten 4 out of the 6. Am I proud of it? Yes. But these will be tonight's treats.
And make her day, Mr. Manning. Drew, happy Valentine's Day. This is a little something for you. We are so happy to have you a part of our family. Love this man.
That's so cute. Oh, he's opening the box. The box definitely did not need to be that big, but like.
Okay, yeah, this thing's huge. What happened?
I had it all pretty and nice. Okay, I'm gonna open mine. Cute card. Oh. What is this? Sweet with me hidden message candle. Wait, what?
Candle.
If I burn it, then it shows me a message?
Yeah.
How long does it take for me to see it?
I don't know, I think like an hour or 2.
Oh my gosh, I'm burning it. And it smells really clean.
Really?
Yeah, it smells amazing. Is this a nightgown? Yes! I actually don't have a white one yet. Oh, babe, this is so cute.
Really?
Yes, I love it. And the back is adorable too. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. So elegant. Here is the fit for today. I've got on my Air Force Ones, this dress from Urban Outfitters. I slicked back my hair. I'm gonna take off my Apple Watch because that's gonna ruin the whole vibe. And then I've got this little cover up from Princess Polly. I love wearing this anytime I go to the lake or the beach. But I thought, you know, it would be cute to just wear over this dress. So yeah, my friend Kaylee's about to be here and I put together her little basket. And then I've got the other gifts for my other girlfriends right there.
I've always loved the way